I'm in the warehouse section. I'm gonna go to the showroom now, which is down this way, where those lights are. Looking at fake plants. And you get them in a box and you have to assemble it. Isn't that funny? Price is kind of high though, $79.99 for these kind. Over here on this wall, they got some smaller ones. I was looking more for like a floor plant. More like the kind over here, but they're kind of expensive. Might be able to go somewhere else and get them cheaper. Got some real ones too over there. Over here they got some pictures and some artwork. Not too bad. Over here they got some more artwork. Including Mona Lisa. Only $14.99. She's gone down in price. Ha ha ha. Now we venture into the lights. Neon. Here's a cheap light. Only $9.99. Let's venture over here now. See what's on this side. There's the cafeteria area. Animal Land. They even have sound effects to go with it. Funny. It's like going through a maze in this showroom area. Trying to work my way back out to the exit. Wherever that is. I kind of like that. That's kind of neat. Still trying to find my way out of this place. What a maze. Okay, I see parking lot. I see an entranceway. Finally found my way out of here. I lost my sense of direction. That's about it. Have a good one.